Hey guys, Dickeydol everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make fruit cake recipe which I make in my birthday. It's very simple ingredient and it's non-cooked. So let's get started. And before start the video, please don't forget to click the subscribe and also hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you will get always notification when I upload a new recipe. Now take a watermelon and I'm gonna cut into round shape this. Now I'm gonna peel the all skin and I'm gonna cut all the white part and just make a round shape small so it will 3 layer. And we have to make evenly and proper size you have to make like upside, otherwise your cake will not stay properly. So this upside layer we need to make properly this. And I'm gonna make this 3 layer and we gonna make first is little big and second is little small. After that it will come little more. So between these 3 layer I'm gonna use more small layer. For this I'm gonna use papaya. The make before how we cut the watermelon, only we need to make small size. Now these all fruits I'm gonna make fruit design, so we need to cut very thinly, much as you can. You have to slice very thinly. For the design, you can make any kind of design as you know you can make it. So here I'm gonna make very simple. And for the design making, my sister and brother, they are helping for me. So they are making fancy, so I'm gonna make very simple, just cutting the round shape. You can make a star or love shape, any kind of shape as you know. Now everything is ready. And she make better than me. This all she make it, my sister. Take a watermelon. First you have to keep big size. After that I'm gonna keep papaya. Between these we need to keep little space because we gonna make for design this. So I'm gonna use black grapes, and just making round shape like this. Now one more add the watermelon, and this size is little small compared to bottom size. This is little small. And between these we gonna add one more small watermelon. You can keep in between this any kind of fruits like this we have to keep because little space we need. So again here I'm gonna add green grapes. Now I'm gonna add one more layer. So I'm gonna make total 3 layer. If you want more longer than this, you can make it. And top on I'm gonna keep the kiwi. For this we need one toothpick. Take one toothpick and just keep it like this. Just follow the video. Now before we make the whole design, now I'm gonna keep it like this, the middle. So if keep like this, so little looks pretty. And for the top, I'm gonna add more grapes. It looks more good. So for this, we need two toothpicks and 2 grapes. It's very simple. In bottom also, I'm gonna add some grapes. Alright guys, so this is my final result. Actually I make first time this cake recipe because I never make before. Usually I don't like to eat cake, so today I tried to make this cake and hopefully you guys love it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and about the more recipe, please subscribe for more recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video. And we'll see you in next video. Bye bye. And how it is, leave comment below.